am a big fan of Rajasthan, right?
I am a big fan of Sitrom Tharu.
Yeah, just so happy. One,
I really like it.
I really like it. And this one,
I am a big fan of Ronaldo.
I am a big fan of Ronaldo. Wow. This sentence shows that you are really expressing your life. Okay. You are a big fan of Cristiano Ronaldo. So you are expressing your life. You are showing your love, respect to legendary football player Cristiano Ronaldo. So you are really expressing your life. So next one is
I like my village.
I like my village. Next,
I like you.
I like you. This means you are expressing your life. And I love you means
Expressing love.
expressing love. Okay, you are. Okay, I like you means you are expressing lives. Okay, I like you. Okay, that's common. Okay, you are simply saying that I like you. Okay, and I love you. This is the example of expressing love. Okay, there is a difference between likes and love. Okay, so expressing love means there is a strong feeling. Strong feeling. I love Nepal. I love you. I love my children. Wow, there is a deep, strong feeling. So this is the difference between expressing likes and dislikes. Okay. So the last one is
I am fond of music.
I am fond of music. What does it mean? What's its Nepali meaning? Translate please. I am fond of music. Nepali में के हुन्छ यसको? I am fond of music को. I am fond of music means मलाई संगीतको शौक छ, इन्ट्रेस्ट छ. I am fond of music. म म्युजिकको एकदमै शौकीन छु भनेको हो के. I am fond of music. So in this way, hello, are you getting points?
Yes, sir.
Okay, am I meaningful?
Yes, sir.
Is it all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are some of the examples of expressing likes. You can express your likes in such a way. These are some of the solid examples of expressing likes. I am a big fan of Rajasthan, right?
I am a big fan of Sitrom Tharu.
Yeah, just so happy.
I am a big fan of Sitrom Tharu. Yes.
Expressing dislikes means if we don't like anything, okay, the things that we don't enjoy or we don't like. Likes means man paranu, dislikes means man na paranu. Yeah. So the things that we really don't enjoy, we don't like, that don't give us any pleasure, any happiness. Yes. So in English, how to express our dislikes easily? So these are some of the examples. Look at here. Read the very first one.
I don't like singing.
I don't like singing. And look at here.
I like singing.
This one.
I like singing.
And look at here.
I don't like singing.
Oh yes. So I don't like singing. This is just opposite to I like singing. Or I like singing is just opposite to I don't like singing. Yeah. If you like singing, if you like anything, then you have to use this is such a I like singing. Okay, this is noun. Singing means noun here. I like singing. And here just make it negative. I don't like singing. I don't like. Just a noun here, singing. I like singing. I don't like singing. I like dancing. I don't like dancing. That's all. Now second one.
I don't enjoy eating.
I don't enjoy eating mama. Yeah.
Not I enjoy eating mama.
Yeah. This is another example of expressing likes. Next one.
I hate dirty people.
I hate dirty people. Okay. So this is another way to express our dislike. I hate dirty people. I hate dirty people. Next one.
We dislike teasing others.
We dislike teasing others. Okay, teasing others is not good work. That's why we dislike teasing others. And next one.
I hate swimming.
I hate swimming. Next one.
I am not fan of horror movies.
I am not a fan of horror movies. Yeah, horror movies are really very scary. Yes. So most of the people, they don't like horror movies because that is very terrifying and scary. So in this situation, you can say I am not a fan of horror movies. It means I don't like horror movies. Okay? I don't like horror movies and I am not a fan of horror movies. Both have the same meaning, but the way of saying is different. The way of saying is different. I don't like horror movies and I am not a fan of horror movies. Both are correct. Both have the same meaning, but you can also express your dislike in different way. I don't like horror movies. That's okay. Very simple sentence. Now, if you wanna express in another way, then you can say I am not a fan of horror movies. Next.
I don't
I
don't care for you. I care for you. I care for you. That is expressing likes. I don't care for you. That means you are expressing dislikes. Next.
I
can't stand hot weather. I can't stand hot weather. This is another way. This is another way of expressing dislike. कति यो मात्रै भन्ने I don't like, I hate, I dislike. Yes? कति यो मात्रै भन्ने त? Here is another way to express our dislikes. I can't stand hot weather. It means you don't like hot weather. Yes? If it is extreme hot, then can you stand there for a long time? No, you can't stand there. So hot weather सँग stand गर्न सक्दैन भनेको मतलब त्यस्तो stand को बिनु त्यहाँ होइन नि त. I can't stand hot weather भनेको मलाई hot weather मन पर्दैन भनेको हो. म त्यो hot weather सहनै सक्दैन. I can't stand. I can't bear. I can't tolerate hot weather. I can't stand hot weather. म hot weather सहनै सक्दैन भनेको हो यो. Last one. I detest. How do you pronounce this word? I detest lying. मलाई झुट मन पर्दैन. मलाई झुट मन पर्दैन भनेको I detest lying means. Okay? So my dear students, you may really differentiate between expressing likes and expressing dislikes in this way. I have given solid examples, very crystal clear examples of expressing likes and expressing dislikes. Okay, so if you really like something, someone, or anything, then in this situation you may express your likes. Yes, using these examples. Okay, and the things that you don't like, that you don't enjoy, and that don't give you any kinds of entertainment, pleasure, or happiness. In this situation, you can express your dislikes in such a way.
I like spring season. I am a big fan of Aruna Sai and Himal Sinarimagar. I like gentlemen and I like playing volleyball.
Wow.
I don't like cricket. I don't like swimming. Thank you.
Thank you.
I like singing and I like drawing some sketches and I like playing cricket.
I like my sister. I like speak English language. I like football. I like my village. I don't care dirty people.
I like student life. I like swimming. I like your singing. I like your songs. I'm a big fan of Central C and Aravatri. I don't like fake people. I don't like junk foods. don't like meat.
Are you vegetarian?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, thank you. Let's clap for her, please. Good.
I don't like chow mein, momo, and I don't like to judge anyone.
Very good.
It's much, sir.
Thank you. Let's clap for him, please. Thank you. Yes, Bhavana. Please let's start.
I like singing. I like chatpate. I don't like bad people. I hate my past memories.
Wow.
I love Nepal. I'm a big fan of Sitrom Tharu.
Yeah.
I don't like Rang. I